Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tinsita Johnson, and today I'm back with this super easy hairstyle where I just try to have my front hair out of the way. It is easy, you don't have to do Dutch braids, you just need to be able to make a 3-strand braid. And I'm taking my front hair here from the right hand side and I do a regular 3-strand braid, just taking the top hair, splitting it into 3 strands and then bringing left over the middle, right over the middle, always alternating until I reach the end of the hair where we're going to tie it off and secure it with a little tiny elastic. What we want to achieve with this style is that the hair is loose, but that the front hair, my bangs, do not fall into my face, because for work that is just annoying. You see, I braid more or less until over my ear and then I secure this little tiny braid with a clear elastic. That's the first one I did. Then I go to the other side. You see, the parting is where I normally have it, just a 2-inch parting in the front, slightly diagonal, and I do exactly the same on my right hand side. You see it here on the left. I split it into 3 strands, just the top hair, and these 3 strands are going to create a 3-strand braid by bringing them over the middle strand, always the sides over the middle strand. So braid until it has more or less the same length. It should go over or beneath your ear. Secure the little braid with a tiny elastic. And then I'm taking the hair over my ear. There I'm going to insert another clear elastic. So I'm creating a little ponytail just right over my ear. Same thing I'm doing on the other side. So take the hair away, then grab the rest, tie this little ponytail right over your ear, and now with the help of the Topsy Tail tool I'm going to flip this under. So insert the Topsy Tail tool, then bring the ponytail through and flip it down. Now you have a flipped ponytail over your ears. Here the same thing. So flip it inside. Now we have created by the sides of above our ears 2 holes in our hair. And in these holes we are going to insert now again the Topsy Tail tool. I come closer so that you see better. And now you're going to pull behind your ear into this hole this little braid. Pull it through. And as the ponytail, the one that is right above the ear, is tightened with the clear elastic, the braid stays in. You don't need any bobby pins. Of course, you can use bobby pins to fix the little braids, but I don't like bobby pins, and I like that also the rest of the hair is held down and behind my ear. So the whole first 2 inches of my front hair are tied away from my face, and this is already the final result. What do you think? Leave me a comment down below, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. You can even click on the little bell to get notification if we upload a new video, and I hope you like to watch this. Thank you so much. See you back soon. Bye bye. Have a great day.